to bring an end to YouTube censorship. It is time that you, the community, speak your mind. And as a community there is diversity, and as diversity there are many points of view, and there are things you agree with and things you don't agree with. So I suggest to bring down the crystal tower of YouTube and how they deal with censorship. Every time you get to a video you disagree with and you regard as spam or as fraudulent because the information is not correct according to you, you dislike the video and you report the video as inappropriate according to your community view, according to your community guideline, because after all you're part of the community that makes up YouTube. And in this way YouTube will be flooded with many flaggings, and they will have to revisit who's right and who's not, and that will change the whole experience of YouTube to be one that allows you to interact with those people you would like to interact with, and those that do not want to interact with you, they don't have to. Each one can do their part, instead of it being a point where YouTube has the right to apparently decide who's right and who's wrong. Let's bring down YouTube censorship. Join us. For instance, you're an atheist, for instance, and therefore see Christianity as a scam and a fraud, then you dislike and you place the video as inappropriate, as spam, which is promoting a scam and fraud. And if you're a Christian, you do the same with the atheist video, so that once and for all we can find out, where does YouTube stand? Do they support free speech or not?